Many owners and many business owners, they confuse remote desktop control with silent live screen monitoring. Yeah? In this video, I'll explain the technical and practical differences between the two, and we'll talk about when to use remote control and when live view is the better option. And you will see here, and that's why where we start. We will see Wolfeye, the software Wolfeye, which is a silent live screen monitoring software, how it works, so that you better know the difference to the remote desktop control software. Okay, what is remote desktop control software? That is software like TeamViewer, for example, or like AnyDesk. It's a software that you can use to remote control another computer. Yeah, the aim is to enable support. If you wanted to support a remote worker, so he will allow you to come to that particular computer. He has to give you permission with these kind of software. A lot of you might know TeamViewer software or AnyDesk software or any other remote control software. In contrast to that, a silent live monitoring software works different, and I will show it to you here. It works like that, and what you see here is the dashboard of one of these software. It is a small piece of software, really a very small piece of software that you install on each of your company computers, let's say. And after you install it, you get access to a dashboard like this. This is a demo dashboard, that's why the password is displayed. You log into the dashboard. Oh, sorry. You log into the dashboard, and then you will see for each of the computers that you have installed the software, the live computer screen. Since this is a demo dashboard, you here see only dummy pictures. But in reality, you will see for each of the computers the live screen, and you could even right mouse click on these live links for each of the computer screens and open in a new tab. And what you will get, for that particular computer, the live screen opens. Again, this is only a dummy picture, but in reality, the live screen in big will open. And since this is a browser, the dashboard, you open it on the browser, you will see that live screen not only on your laptop or on your remote computer, but also on your smartphone, your hand, on your phone. Yeah? So that's how it works. And even if you wanted to see what has been done on a particular computer throughout the day, you can enable screenshot history and could check it here by right mouse clicking on the history link. You open it, yeah, and you see every 5 minutes a screenshot is saved for that particular computer. You see a screenshot history. Again, this is only demo dashboard, so these are dummy pictures, but in reality you will see the not the live screens, but the screenshot history. The screenshots made every 5 minutes. You set the interval, by the way. Yeah, so that's how Wolfeye Remote Screen software works. So how can you use it for free on your computer? So come to our website, wolfeye.co. You come to our website here, wolfeye.co, select the language here, and click this button that says 14 days free trial. You click it, and you can book a live demo. Yeah, you can book a live demo, and in this live demo, two things will happen. First of all, Wolfeye will already be installed on my computer, and I will send you the access to my dashboard. So you will see my live screen on this dashboard that I will send you. So not dummy pictures, but really my live screen. That's the first thing. But the second thing that will happen on this demo is that I will give you the download link for Wolfeye, and we will install it on one or two of your computers. I will guide you, and that will enable you to install it on the remaining of your computers. Yeah, it's very easy to use. So come to our website, book a free live demo with me. I'm happy to meet you. See you in the next video.